Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Twixtor plugin for After Effects. So first of all, you want to go to this website here. It's called revisionfx.com. This is revisionfx.com and you will see the official page of Twixtor. Browse all products. You can choose here directly Twixtor and here it is the official page. So Twixtor is an intelligently slow down or speed up your images sequence with visually stunning results. So keep in mind this is a free trial. If you want to get the Twixtor full, you have to buy it. You are going to download it and try for free if you want for your Adobe After Effects. So go all the way down to this page and you can see this option here. Download links Twixtor V8 for Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro. You can choose for Windows or if you have Mac, but keep in mind before downloading check out your compatibility and your system requirements. So just click on download and after downloading you can install it and you can use it. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to get Twixtor plugin for After Effects. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.